Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the ICP update today. So ICP has climbed up, done really tremendously well, and it has been failing to cross $20.4, and now it's consolidating between 18.7 and 20.531, which is pretty much the exchange that we're looking on right now. So maybe a 10% difference is happening on the smaller time frames as well. Now, I think this consolidation can actually continue a little bit, and if it does continue, we may print in another flag and probably try to break the flag and continue to move to the upside. So if this is going to be a flag, then you probably could be looking at ICP breaking up and continue to go to $24, which is my take. And I personally think that the way ICP is actually looking right now, it's pretty strong at the moment to go to that department. I want to search how much volume we have in the past 24 hours. If you look at the Binance exchange itself, $206 million being traded. The technical target for ICP right now is a buy. Some few days I think it was a strong buy, and the volume change is actually coming in a little bit decent. So the volume is there. Buyers are actually into the coin as well. So what can I say? The coin itself is amazing. On the daily time frame, we have three white soldiers. That means three green candles back to back, indicating we are going to continue. It's something similar to what we saw here, three green candles and a move up. That's the same with three green candles. You may see a doji like this, which means today you may see a sideways movement, and that sideways movement, as I showed you on the smaller time frame, it's actually a flag to break and continue to the upside. And that's all for this quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.